Yo, what up? My name's Cozy. I'm a freestyler from Houston, Texas. I live in San Antonio right now. I'm just trying to get my freestyles out there so y'all can listen, so people can enjoy. Spread it, share it, tell me what you think. I'm just doing this shit for fun. Just want to let everybody hear my shit. Tell me what you think, bro. Alright. Peep this. You probably heard this before. I'm gonna spit on top of it. Yo. Riding down in my city, y'all niggas below me, y'all should be feeling shitty. Motherfucking hit that lick, don't even need a brick on that fucking purple, that's what I'm about to sip. The girl, she on my tip, yeah, the tip of my dick. Already know I'm about to get the shit then flip. Fuck it then relapse, my nigga, what's the haps? Already know that ass I'm about to tap. Used to live in the trap, now I live in that dormitory. Already know, bitches, they fucking swarm me, all around me, fucking crown me. I feel like a fucking king. Already know, they all up on my ding-a-ling. Cocaine, I don't need to sling, but I keep money like that. Me, I keep on hitting it on the fucking track, nigga. Yeah, I'm running that race, nigga. Yeah, I'm in first place, nigga. Yeah. I'll shout out to my nigga, fucking Grace, nigga, from that old school, nigga. Hit you with the tool, nigga, like a fucking swimming pool. I dive in, motherfucking niggas be buzzing like a beehive wind. I fucking send that cash out, y'all niggas smiling. Y'all niggas ain't wildin', y'all niggas ain't going hard. Already know, got that purple shit all up in my jar. Man, I'm smoking oh so hard, man, I'm smoking oh so hard. Already know, I'm taking trips afar. Y'all niggas know I got them motherfucking hot bars. A hot track, hot stat. Nigga, I bring it fucking back. Nigga, I'm on the fucking track. Yeah, I do that shit for the H. Already know they sippin' on that ski taste. Where I come from, y'all niggas will get shot. Already know I got that loaded fucking Glock. Might have that AK, yeah, that shit will spray. Leave your ass dead today. Call that shit fucking Mayday. Call that shit fucking heyday. About to fucking lay you, bro. 6 feet under in the dirt, though. Already know I'm about to squirt, though. Squirt that purple, squirting it like Squirtle. Already know that shit got me moving slow like a turtle. Jumping over them hurdles. Hurdles called fucking life. Man, I'm working so hard. Fuck fucking strife. Don't need a wife, don't need no girl. All I need is love from my family in this world. Man, the shit just twirl. Man, my head's about to whirl while I'm sipping on that Bombay. Man, I'm fucking your girl. Man, I'm going so hard. Man, I'm motherfucking doing that shit in my fucking foreign car. Fucking foreign car, man, I need to get a little high. Already know y'all niggas just doing this shit to get by. Nigga don't even try, nigga don't even lie. Nigga, y'all about to cry, bitch, go ahead and sigh. When you see me rolling, I be fucking holding everything you knowin' in my fucking soulin'. About to be consoling none of you niggas. Me, I'm just on my ground, about to get bigger. All about my biggers, all about my cash. Man, I'm about to see you, girl, and smack that ass, then I dash. Y'all niggas try to harass. Weed, I'm chippin' with my boys. Pass. Already know, got that shit in the fucking stash. My nigga brains will fucking bash. Nigga, I'm first class, only fucking one. Shout out to that Wiz Khalifa, bitches oh so sprung. On that fucking dick, yeah, I'm flexing, fuck tricks. Man, shout out to that Juicy J from the 3-6. 3-6 Mafia going at your fucking heart. Already know I got that shit fucking in the fucking stall, nigga. Fucker you haul, nigga. Already know going hard than the Lakers when I ball, nigga. Y'all niggas just crawl, nigga, like crabs in a bucket holding on to my leg. Don't wanna see me make it over the edge. See you bitch niggas beg, fucking renting books off a check. Yeah, and that's it, nigga. Hit me up.